Hi guys, and kumusta kayo ngayong Wednesday? So, it is a late recording actually since I have been busy throughout the day, and let's actually see what happened to the market today. I've, I just saw what happened, and actually medyo ano no, medyo maganda yung outlook here, 'di ba? Yung price niya, I thought it was already rejected at MN9. But I guess yung pinaka-catalyst dito is yung news regarding the incoming vaccine this coming October. Tama ba yung news ko? I believe it is 40 million doses of COVID vaccines. And I hope that this would push our investors na na saluhin na, 'di ba? Kumbaga, dito na 'yan. Sana dito na 'yan. And if not, there is always a possibility of this is just a technical bounce and the prices can go cheaper than what it is today, no? So itong price action na to, I would say that it is due to the good news regarding the COVID vaccines na sa wakas dadating na rin sila. So it gives the investors courage, or at least a hopeful mindset regarding what could happen to our market. Mga positive outlook. Ayun, positive outlook. Okay? So, yeah. So, take a look at the fibs as usual. Kita rin na nag-touch. So, would this be just the range of the PSCI? Kasi yan yung for sure yan yung kailangan niya basagin next eh, 'di ba? It needs to break the 7,000 levels. Okay? And actually I tried to take a look at the weekly chart, 'di ba? So let's just remove these fibs and all of this, 'di ba? So taking a look at the bigger picture, so the downtrend was already imminent by around last July 2019 actually. So kung kikita nyo na may trend line mula nung time na yon. And from the pandemic, ito kasi overreaction lang yan. So this is where sumalo talaga yung mga investors, and dun na bumalik up to the last quarter of December of the 2020. 'Di ba? Kita natin, no? Ito pa lang dito, papunta dito. Pero since dito na sumalo yung last end of May, so that's where the trend line goes in. And we're seeing a pennant here, 'di ba? Equal pennant. So magsi-squeeze yan here. And tingnan natin, baka around dito pa pumutok. Kung sakali mag-recover na talaga yung Philippine index or the Philippine market. Okay? Yun. Saan na yun? Drawing tayo. Yun. Feeling nyo ba magaganyan yan? Possible options here. Saka siya mag-bounce. Diba? Yung mga possibility or possible action na pwedeng gawin ng market. And we do not have any red. Kumbaga yung buwelo niya. Optimal scenario natin is if it goes sideways na. Kumbaga ito na yung cheapest price bago bumalik yung market sa pre-pandemic levels. Diba? Hopefully. Okay. So, yeah. Let's go to FES. Actually, one of the interesting, no? Nope. Diba? Saan na yan? Makita yung tsura ng chart ko. Okay. So, FES, it bounced, diba? Sa EMA9. But, caution still, diba? Kasi ang laki ng rejection, diba? Ang laki ng rejection dito. Sabihin ayaw nilang bumaba yung presyo. But of course, if you would take a look at the volume, mababa siya kumpara dun sa previous one. But higher, still higher. Kasi nga, pinaglalaruan ngayon eh. Not sure if it is the correct market movement for this stock. Just caution kasi mataas-taas pa rin yan, guys. Matarik. Malayo sa EMA9. Diba? Ang pinaka trend following indicator is EMA9. At least most of the traders use it. And I also use it. So, malayo-layo yan. 11% from the immediate support, I would say. Kasi tinan mo, nauntog siya dito. Diba? Ganda. Longer picture. Nopes. Mas mataas pa palang presyo si FES. Tingnan natin. Na-hit din ba? Diba? Oh, pantay pa rin siya dun, no? Ganda ng chart. Paano ba bumalik sa ano? Sa Reach. Sa OG. Masyado naka-zoom out. Sorry guys, yung nakakahilo. So that is FES, by the way. Malayo-layo sa support, and if you're a day trader, this would be a good stock to play during the day. As usual, RSI is going up, going to the oversold area. Okay, so actually one of the things that I would like for you to see is, diba, yung market natin is umangat, so usually or most of it should be coming in from the blue chips. So yung market natin umangat, diba? So I believe Ali broke through EMA9 again. GFC sustained its momentum going up. EMA9. Ano pa ba? BPI, yeah. Diba? Imbis na mag-try siyang bumenta at try to challenge MA20, it didn't happen and instead maintain its current level here. Okay, ano pa ba? Globe is still sideways as usual, doing what it needs to do. JGS bumagsak pa din pero it sustained this level. Diba? Ganda oh, tinan mo. Horizontal line. Parang sinasabi nila na price couldn't go any cheaper than this one. Stay. Yes sir. URC, yes, diba? It maintained its current level here. Diba? Blue chips moving, it's just moving on how the market goes. So if the incoming doses of COVID vaccine is a good catalyst para sa pagbangon ng market, then yeah, I would say na maganda yung movement, diba? Okay, next interesting stock is Mond. Is it Monde or Mond? Actually don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Either way, we're looking at it for trend following purposes. So cha-challenge na naman niya to. And what would be the best place, diba? Kung nakasalo ka dito, good for you. Yan. Tingnan natin yung ano mo, yung gain mo. Late pa, 3%, pero diba, good position. And it seems like it's challenging that level. RSI wise, hindi ganun kaganda kasi oversold na eh. Pero diba nga, for those trending stocks or with a very powerful bullish movement, you disregard the RSI kasi bibigyan ka niya ng maling exit signal. Yung pala, tutuloy pa pala, diba? You don't want that to happen. Next one I saw is Meg. Okay, diba? Ganda. Ganda ng chart mo, sir. Okay. Challenging EMA 9, actually. So we're not sure if this continuing trend, technical bounce, but it's sitting just right there sa EMA 9. You'll have to see its price action by tomorrow. Kasi, ano yun, doble yan, no? This is MA20 and EMA 9. Alam ko malayo to eh. O, diba? Resistance level. Ano ba weekly na to? Weekly. Weekly niya nasa sideways. So, yeah. Medyo intact pa siya. Just have to see by tomorrow what would the market decide for Meg. Kung gawa lang pa siya ng isang candle on this side, dun siya magko-consolidate. Kasi tingnan nyo, di ba? Doon din nauntog dito eh. Hit. Hindi lang ganun ka-eksakto, pero you see the relation, di ba? Sorry. Next one is PHA. Team Fiamon. Isa sa mga nalaro by the end of the year, actually, with the news of Squid Pay. What thing that I would like for you guys to see is the trend line for its price. Kasi pababa eh. We're seeing lower highs, kumbaga. Diba? Lower highs yan eh, oh. Here. Tapos bumagsak. To. Tapos dito na siya bumagsak. So, ingat during this time. Kasi you're not sure where is it going. Of course, the possibility are 3. Diba? Cheapest price na pala na yan. Haba naman nun. Okay. Goes sideways. Continue na yung mali. Consolidation niya. Or it goes down. Natin itong neutral. What's the neutral color here? No. Yan, dilaw. Then best one should be green. Okay. Next one is RHI. RRHI kasi kasama to sa blue chips, no? So we're actually looking at one solid candle. The one thing that I would be just aware is may gap. So if ever it would retrace, it would possibly go and fill that gap. Yan yung problema sa mga nagka-gap up. It will always be kumbaga may gap nga, di ba? Kailangan ma-fill yan. Hindi pwede may butas. Either way, RHI is setting higher lows. So that's one good thing, diba? Ito yan. Tapos hindi siya straight line, no? Ang ganda sana kung parang pennant. Pero since blue chips, you would expect it to trade this, trade this range. Yun na yung outlook ko kay, or insight ko kay RHI. So if you manage to secure your position here, so ito yung selling point, kumbaga. Diba? Yan yung channel. Ayun, yun yung term, channel. So that's for RHI. RSI wise, diba? Walang divergence. Diba? Same. Ito lang, I would say that yung RSI is not keeping up with its price action. Diba? Hindi siya pantay eh. Lower siya eh. So, either habol yung price to match its RSI level, or yung pala pababa na din. We'll see. Okay, next one I would say is Davin. Diba? Mat ko nakita si Davin kasi buhol-buhol na yung MAs niya and it's on sideways. And anong makakatulong sa ating indicator once it does its job? When it's on sideways, the MAs are ano ba ito? Rolled up, buhol-buhol, twisted. Is Bollinger. Okay? So Bollinger, kita nyo, di ba? Galing. Sideways, and it's trading above that band. So magandang way dyan is abangan mo kung kailan siya puputok. Ang term nila dyan is Bollinger squeeze ba ang term nila? Hindi ko alam yung masyadong mga technical pero yung characteristics nung price action and nung movement in confluence with the MAs, diba? Ganang tulong. Mga makikita nyo pag nasisilip nyo na yung pag nakikita nyo na siya dati pa. So, yun yung outlook for Davin, diba? Lapit na to. Abangers. So, bale, hindi ko pala na-plot or na-explain why there's a fib. So, immediate resistance would be the 236 levels which is around 4 pesos. Malaki yan. Diba? Upside up to 4 pesos is around 30%. Yung downside natin is maliit na kasi nasa baba na siya kung bumaba pa siya, tingnan nyo dito, sideways siya sa mga trend. Ito, kita nyo bumagsak siya bago siya umangat So are we looking at it? Hindi ko alam anong history nito kasi parang hindi siya bar linya-linya lang Pero ito, yan yung outlook for Davin. Cool, no? Okay, next one is Converge. To Converge, walang sinabi si Bollinger, but what I would like to reiterate with Converge is nag-bounce sa EMA 9. So medyo may nag profit taking na konti pero solid candle. Medyo maliit lang yung volume, so hindi siya ganoon ka And what I said, I'm not sure if it was yesterday or the other day, pero yung RSI niya is around that part kung magbabounce siya dun. Ito ata yun Yan. Diba? Ganda ng chart Converge. So, the company is still growing. And yeah, so to those who believe, congratulations guys. Diba? Tulog ka. Patulogin mo yung pera mo since last January 2021. Start of the year, actually. Ngayon, laki na ng gain mo. Yung mga investor mindset. If you believe in the company and if you think that the company would be a major player in the market, boom, win. Okay, last one is PHR. May Bollinger ba to? I'm not sure. Either way, EMA 9 respected, diba? Rejection dito, pero may rejection din sa taas. Yun lang yung problema. So what I would say is PHR would go on sideways. RSI still intact. So baka bukas umangat ulit mga 3 to 5%. So day in pasok labas lang dun sa stock kung gusto mong laruin yung percentage ng range niya. Tama ba ako? Yung mga range niya ganyan 4, diba? 4% to 5%. Trade mo yung range, and then congrats. Ba? Sino ba yung hindi matutuwang may 5% ka sa isang araw? Bako nga, isang buwan, ilang porsyento lang. But syempre, the risk involved is way higher than if you keep your money in the bank. Diba? Yun lang yung mga food for thoughts. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and I hope that you've done your screening, you've done your risk management and all that, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.